Hey, have you ever thought about doing something different for the holidays?
Yeah, actually I was thinking of joining a cool workshop.
Really? What kind?
I found this amazing STEAM workshop online.
STEAM? You mean science, technology, engineering, art, and math?
Exactly. It sounds so interesting.
So, what do they offer there?
They have short courses on robotics, coding, design, and even 3D printing.
Whoa, that sounds awesome. Where did you find it?
I just did a quick search, and it popped up. They have great reviews.
I'm definitely in. Can we sign up together?
Absolutely, let's register tonight. We can learn so much and have fun.
I can't wait. This will be the best holiday ever.
Totally. See you tomorrow at school?
See you. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you for watching. Your support means the world to us. Please like, share, and subscribe to help our channel grow. Join us every week for a brand new short story.